Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve high RAM and memory usage on your Windows 7 device. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to just jump right into it. And what we're going to do to start is head over to the Start button and want to left click on it one time to open up the Start menu. And you want to proceed to type in Services. And the best match that comes up underneath Programs should say Services. You want to left click on that one time to open up the services window here, and you can expand the tab sizes by just left clicking in between them and dragging them apart a little bit. And underneath name, you want to scroll down until you get to something that says Superfetch right here, and you want to proceed to right click on it and then left click on properties, and then underneath startup type you want to click inside this drop down area here and you want to select disabled, and then proceed to left click on apply and OK. And once you've done that, you can close out of the services window. Now what you want to do is open up the start menu, type in msconfig, so msconfig, all one word. Underneath programs, the best match that comes up should say msconfig. You want to proceed to left click on that. Now you want to left click on the startup tab. And now, depending on how many programs and applications you have installed on your computer, there might be a big list of startup programs that are listed. You can safely pretty much uncheck anything listed in here and re-enable it at a later date if you chose to do so. Basically, anything that's listed in here is going to be starting up when your computer starts up, and it will continue to run in the background of your computer all the time. And the problem with that is if you're using applications, perhaps like video editing or printer software, there's no need for it to be running all the time in the background of your computer. When you try and print something using Microsoft Word or Document Manager, it will turn on the printer software. You don't necessarily need it to turn on when your computer turns on. I would recommend keeping your antivirus software turned on here. And all you have to do to disable something is just to uncheck this box here and then click on apply. And then you would click on OK. And if you want to ever re-enable, you just click inside here to check mark it again, and then click on apply and OK as well. So we're going to disable this service, click on OK. Going to exit without restart. And one more thing I'd recommend trying to do would be to open up the start menu again, and then type in programs and features. And one of the best matches that comes up right underneath control panel should say programs and features. You want to proceed to left click on that. And now any programs in here you don't typically use, I would recommend uninstalling them. Not only do they take up space on your hard drive, but there's a good chance that they will take up memory at one point or another, so might as well uninstall them. It's good to periodically go through here and clean out any programs you're really not using. So I just wanted to put it out there. I do hope a few of these methods were able to help you guys out, free up some memory space on your computer. And as always, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope I helped you out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.